Hi everybody, today our lesson is going to be on landmarks. In today's lesson you're going to learn that landmarks can be both man-made and natural. Throughout the lesson you're going to see that you may have already visited a couple landmarks, or you're going to find a few landmarks that you want to add to a list to visit one day. What is a landmark? A landmark is an interesting or important place. Landmarks are visited by millions of people every year. Some landmarks serve a particular purpose, and others are simply just to honor a certain city, person, or time in history. Landmarks can be a man-made building or object that are important or historical in some way. Here we have a picture of the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty was gifted to the United States from France, and it symbolizes our freedom and everything that we stand for as a country. It has a lot of historical importance, and people go to visit it every day. Landmarks can also be natural. They have geographical features that are recognizable and amazing to view. Here's a picture of Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls is located between the United States and Canada. It's a group of waterfalls, and it's really amazing to see. We actually have a couple of landmarks right in our own backyard. Here's one, Lucy the Elephant. Has anybody ever been there? Just a couple facts about Lucy the Elephant. It's a 6-story shaped elephant. That's right, you can actually go inside. It was created in 1881, and it's located in Margate City, New Jersey. Can you think of any other landmarks you might know? Here's a little bit about the history of landmarks. Many years ago, before we had GPS or other technology, landmarks were a way for explorers and travelers to find their way to places. For example, years ago, travelers and settlers in Europe knew that when they reached Stonehenge, they were near Wiltshire, England. All right, that brings us to today's task. You will be learning about 2 landmarks in the U.S. Open the the Social Studies assignment in Google Classroom for today. Read the directions on the first page and then click the link for each landmark. Learn all about that landmark. Complete the questions for each different landmark. Turn in your assignment on Google Classroom. And as always, if you have any questions, I'm available to help. Have a great day.